Hello student, I am Dr.K.B. Dhore. In today's session we are going to discuss the Cambridge cash balance theory of demand for money. The Cambridge cash balance theory of demand for money was put forward by Cambridge economists Marshall and Pigou. This cash balance theory of demand for money differ from Fisher's transaction approach in that it places emphasis on the function of money as a store of value or wealth instead of Fisher's emphasize on the use of money as a medium of exchange. Marshall and Pigou focused their analysis on the factor that determine individual demand for holding cash balance. Uh, Even we are talking about here, the Cambridge cash balance theory emphasize the store of value functions of money, unlike the transaction approach of Irving Fisher, which focuses on money as a medium of exchange. The Cambridge economists argue that people hold money to store wealth and for future transaction. The theory expresses the demand for money as this is equation we see here, MD is equal to K multiply P multiply Y. So here MD stand on demand for money, K stand on proportion of income people wish to hold as cash, then P stand on price level, and Y represent the real national income. Then new classical approach. The new classical approach, also known as the transaction approach, was primarily developed by Irving Fisher. According to this theory, the demand for money arises mainly from its role as a medium of exchange. People hold money to facilitate everyday transaction. So Fisher presented the quantity theory of money equation. MV is equal to PT. So here money means money supply. We stand on velocity of money, how often money change hands. Then P means price level. T stand on volume of transactions. New classical approach. In this approach, the demand for money depends on the volume of transactions. In the economy, it assumes that velocity is constant. So any change in money supply directly affect the price level. So this theory focuses less on money as a store of value and more on its transaction function. New classical approach also represent to their approaches. Aggregate demand for money can be expressed as MD is equal to KPY, where Y represent the real national income, P represent the average price level of currently produced goods and services. Then PY represent nominal income, K represent the proportion of national income that people want to hold as cash balances. So basis we are talking about the representation here. Diagram is there. So this diagram basically help to us understand about the Cambridge views. O x-axis we can talk about the nominal national income. O axis we are talking about the money demand. So here one curve is there, look like the supply curve. So Cambridge theory basically give us idea about how the relations between real national income and demand for money. So this diagram help to us understand more reality about difference between all. We are talking about the Irving Fisher's transaction approach. We are talking about the Cambridge approach, and even new classical approach. Basis of that, we get more idea about these all classical views regarding the money supply in this situation in this regard. So thank you. We come to know more about this theory in next slide. Thank you to all.